Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your TikTok account has been suspended or if there are any violations affecting it. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. I'm using an Android phone, but the steps are exactly the same on iPhone. Start by tapping on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the section called Support and About and tap on Support. Here you'll see a few options like Help Center, Safety Center, and Privacy Center. Tap on Safety Center and then choose Account Status. This is where you'll see if your account is in good standing. If everything looks good, you'll see a message like, "Thank you for following the community guidelines." But if there's a violation, or your account has been restricted or suspended, it will be listed here. TikTok will show the details of what happened, and in most cases, you'll have the option to appeal directly from this page. You can also double-check by going back to the main screen and tapping on Inbox at the bottom. In your inbox, tap on System Notifications. If TikTok has flagged your account or issued a warning, you'll see it there. From that message, you'll usually be able to tap through and start the appeal process. Once you submit an appeal, TikTok typically reviews it and gets back to you within a few days with a decision, whether they'll restore full access to your account or keep the restriction in place. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.